Causes and treatment of back pain. Manual therapy is the only solution to relieve pain caused by joint disorders. Back pain is a common occurrence that can bother anyone anywhere. It is a severe pain that occurs in the muscles and nerves of the back. There are many medical causes of back pain. People who must sit for a long time or must stand for a long time to work are more likely to suffer from it. Back pain can also be triggered by an increase in the heat or cold factor in the mood. Similarly, excess physical amounts of uric acid, constipation, formation of spaces in the joints, kidney edema, kidney stones, etc., are also among its causes. Sudden shock in the back due to lifting heavy weights or spasms in the back muscles also becomes a source of back pain. General physical weakness is also a major cause of back pain, while poor, substandard, and adulterated foods are proving to be the cause of physical weakness. Continuous consumption of poor and substandard food weakens the body's immune system, which causes tension and pressure in the nerves and muscles, causing physical pain. In addition, severe pain also occurs due to damage to the spinal cord. Sometimes this pain starts from the nerves in the back and spreads to the right and left legs. In medical terms, it is called a disc slip. The main cause of the disc slip hypothesis is pressure on the fourth vertebra. When stress or pressure is applied to the fourth vertebra, as a reaction, pain is felt throughout the back and in one or both legs. Similarly, when back pain is felt in the tailbone and the pain is severe when getting up, sitting down, or moving, it is generally believed that the cause is the 12th vertebra slipping or moving out of place. Such pain is relieved immediately by using painkillers, but until the vertebra is adjusted to its place, the pain in the tailbone becomes more and more severe. If this is not recognized in time, the pregnant woman may be forced to suffer from this pain for the rest of her life. Remember, focus on eliminating the cause of the disease and pain. The pain and disease will go away on their own. Consult a medical professional to know about your condition. To reduce the intensity of the pain and get immediate relief, massage a little magic oil on the back, mix equal amounts of millet, wheat flour, and salt in a cloth, heat it on a stove, and apply it on the back. The pain will get immediate relief. If the pain is due to excess heat in the body, massage with coriander oil and mix 10 grams of coriander with brown sugar and take 1 spoonful daily. When the back pain is due to excess cold, boil 5 grams of fenugreek and drink it a few times. Eating 7 figs and 10 tolas of walnut kernels also provides relief from back pain. Stay away from meat, rice, fats, eggplant, cola drinks, bakery products, fast foods, lentils, cornies, beans, greens, sour, heavy, and flatulent foods completely. In case of problems with the spinal cord, consult a specialist without wasting time on tips and hearsay medical techniques. Try to avoid unnecessary use of temporary painkillers as much as possible, because painkillers provide temporary relief, but stomach diseases, including those that are said to cause kidney and liver failure. The only solution to get rid of back pain caused by a malfunction in the joints is manual therapy. An expert therapist, with his divine abilities, easily adjusts the joints with his fingers and thumbs. In addition, staying permanently protected from back pain, diet and exercise that strengthens the back and back muscles a part of your routine. Proper consumption of nutritious foods and caution against acidic and sour ingredients while consuming food also protects against back pain and neurological and muscular problems. Do not keep too much distance between your seat and back in your daily routine. Use a hard chair if you sit for a long time. In case of pain, sleep on a hard bed or floor instead of a soft bed. Avoid lifting weights or climbing stairs during pain. Daily exercises for the nerves of the back are a must. Adopting yoga asanas that strengthen the spine is very useful for permanent prevention of back pain.